Hey guys, how's it going? How to add a Discord link to a TikTok bio. So first I'll go ahead and open up the Discord from your browser, right? Not from the app, from the browser. And after you log in with your account, you're gonna be able to see www.discord.com/user users basically, and then you're gonna be able to add your ID. So again, the Discord app.com/users/your user ID in the official website of Discord once you're logged in. So this is easier to actually copy. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna copy the link of your ID, right? Which is Discord app.com, so I can demonstrate. Okay, /users and then /your ID. Okay, and your ID will contain a lot of numbers or something like that. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just copy the link and then go back to your screen and then go ahead and open up your TikTok. Right now, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and click on your profile at the bottom, right? And then click edit profile, and basically right here you can see that you can add your website. If you add it right here, the discordapp.com/user/your ID, save right here, and basically that's much easier to actually pull it off. And once you refresh, you're gonna be able right here to see the link that will go direct you to the Discord. So let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.